Today, I up by making pet noises to a patient's child to get their attention. It's protocol that we get patient photos, as our boss says, to get to know them personally. She said it's important we get every patient's photo so we recognize them when they walk in. Unfortunately, some patients are barely toddlers, and this specific patient was a hyper 6-year-old. His dad tried to get him to focus, but this kid was just going crazy, dancing for the photo, smiling, and just wiggling around. And in an attempt to get him to focus, I did what I do to my dogs to get their attention for a photo by going peace, peace, PSP, teek, teek, teek. And I immediately cringed as it was instinctual and didn't even process what I'd just done. Luckily, the father was too focused on how crazy his kid was acting and laughing, so I can only pray it's not mentioned later in a review. Too long. Didn't read. I made noises at a patient's kid that I use on my dogs to get his attention so he'd stay still for a photo.